Here's something that will blow your mind. The moment you cross $100,000 in net worth, everything changes. Not just the numbers on your screen, but the entire game of building wealth. Most people think getting to six figures is just another milestone, but it's actually the tipping point where your money stops being lazy and starts working overtime. Picture this. You've been grinding for years, saving every spare dollar, watching your account balance crawl forward at a snail's pace. Then suddenly your wealth starts growing faster than you can even contribute to it. Your money begins making more money than some people earn at their day jobs. This isn't some get-rich-quick fantasy. This is the mathematical reality that wealthy people understand and broke people never discover. The brutal truth is that building your first 100,000 feels like pushing a boulder uphill in molasses. Every dollar saved requires sacrifice. Every investment gain feels microscopic. A 10% return on $5,000 gets you $500. Nice, but hardly life-changing. You're still trading hours for dollars, still living paycheck to paycheck, still wondering if financial freedom is just a myth. But here's where it gets interesting. That same 10% return on $100,000 nets you $10,000. Same effort, same investment strategy, 20 times the result. Suddenly, your money is earning what many people make in months of work, and you didn't lift a finger. This is the moment when compound interest transforms from a boring concept in finance textbooks to a wealth-generating machine that works while you sleep. Your money starts having babies, and those babies start having babies too. The exponential curve that seemed theoretical becomes brutally real. But getting there requires mastering what I call the wealth triangle. Three fundamental forces that either accelerate or destroy your financial progress. Miss any one of these and you'll stay stuck in the slow lane forever. The first force is your earning engine. Look, you can't save money you don't have. If your income is stuck in neutral, your wealth-building timeline stretches into decades. But every extra dollar you generate is rocket fuel for your financial snowball. This means getting aggressive about increasing your income through raises, side hustles, skill development, or career transitions. Think of income like water pressure. Low pressure means a slow trickle filling your bucket. High pressure means rapid accumulation. The difference between earning $50,000 and $70,000 annually can cut years off your journey to financial independence. The second force is your defense system. This is where most people sabotage themselves. They increase their income but also increase their spending proportionally. It's called lifestyle inflation, and it's a wealth killer. Every dollar that leaks out of your financial system is a dollar that can't compound and grow. Real wealth builders live below their means, not at their means. They drive reliable used cars instead of status symbols. They cook at home instead of dining out constantly. They distinguish between wants and needs. This isn't about living like a hermit. It's about making conscious choices that prioritize future wealth over immediate gratification. The third force is optimization. This is where your money starts working smarter instead of just harder. It's about maximizing the growth potential of every dollar you save. High-yield savings accounts instead of traditional checking accounts. Tax-advantaged retirement accounts instead of taxable investments. Low-cost index funds instead of expensive actively managed mutual funds. Small optimization decisions compound into massive differences over time. A 1% fee difference might seem insignificant, but over 30 years it can cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars in lost growth. When you combine all three forces, something magical happens. Your wealth accumulation shifts from linear to exponential. The path to your first 100,000 might take 8 years, but the path to your second 100,000 might take only 4 years. Your third 100,000 might take just 2 years. This acceleration happens because your money reaches critical mass. Instead of your income being the primary driver of wealth growth, your investment returns become the dominant factor. You transition from working for money to having money work for you. But here's the psychological shift that nobody talks about. Crossing six figures doesn't just change your bank account. It changes your entire relationship with money. You stop thinking like someone who trades time for dollars and start thinking like someone who owns assets that generate passive income. Every purchase decision gets filtered through a new lens. That expensive dinner isn't just $50. It's $50 that could have grown to several $100s over time. That unnecessary subscription isn't just $15 monthly. It's compound growth sacrificed for convenience. You develop what I call investor vision. You see opportunities everywhere. You understand that building wealth isn't about luck or timing the market. It's about consistent execution of proven principles over extended periods. Most people never experience this transformation because they give up during the slow phase. They quit before the snowball gains momentum. They abandon their financial goals when progress feels invisible. But the people who push through this uncomfortable period discover that wealth building becomes progressively easier. The mathematical reality is undeniable. Your money grows faster as your pile gets bigger. A 7% annual return on $10,000 adds $700. That same return on $500,000 adds $35,000. Your money starts earning more than most people's salaries. This is why reaching $100,000 represents the most important financial milestone in your life. It's the point where compound interest stops being theoretical and becomes your wealth-building partner. It's where patience pays dividends and consistency creates fortunes. The path forward is clear. Increase your income aggressively. Protect your savings ruthlessly. Optimize your investments intelligently. Combine these strategies with time and discipline, and watch your wealth explode beyond that critical $100,000 threshold. Your future wealthy self is counting on the decisions you make today. Every dollar saved is a silent worker that never takes a day off. Start now, stay consistent, and prepare for the moment when your money finally starts working as hard as you do.